Our generous donors. Isbi Sir Ronald, Ma'am Zara Ann, Sir RC, Miss Mel, Ma'am Meli Matipag, OPI Narvacan, OPI Sorsogon, Ma'am Elvira Calvero, Team Movers, Team Tiger, Team Victorious, Isbi Sir Giomi OPI Bacolod, OPI Sorsogon, OPI Iloilo, 0-05-4800-8, OPI Bacolod, OPI Labo, OPI Benguet, Isbi Ma'am Miles OPI Palawan, Isbi Sir Emerson OPI Batangas, Team Zion Manila, OPI Zambales, OPI Jensen, OPI Head Office Staff, Ma'am Tess Head Office, Ma'am Selene Segara, Team Jaguar, Ma'am Nita Karandang, Febs from OPI Benguet, Anonymous received from Cbank, Anonymous, Team Orion Cebu Generous Donors, Sir Pepe Sinubuhan, Ma'am Rowena Arcaya, Ma'am Rebecca Entira, Ma'am Letty Mayming, Ma'am Jeanette and Sir Brian Erana, Ma'am Monica Alsola, Ma'am Michelle and Sir Lito Arnado, Sir Eddie Gabutan, Ma'am Adelina Sanchez, Ma'am Jem and Sir Armando Baculio, Ma'am Gloria Rebucan, Ma'am Eva Baoy, Ma'am Nersita Otero, Sir Ernesto Largo, Ma'am Ria and Sir J.R. Kalipay, Ma'am Salome and Sir Francis Acid, Ma'am Fines Arisgado, Ma'am Salud, Ma'am Anisita Sarol, Ma'am Adelaida Bailosis, Ma'am Nestora, Ma'am Evelyn Sabanal, Ma'am Elizabeth Sabanal, Sir Junas Organiza, Ma'am Ana Mahinay, Team Orion Combati Volunteers, Sir Brian, Sir JR, Sir Lito, Ma'am Michelle, Ma'am Monica, Sir Ernie, Ma'am Nersita, Ma'am Salome, Sir Francis, Ma'am Ria, Ma'am Letty, Ma'am Fines, Ma'am Jem, Sir Armando, Sir Pipi, Ma'am Jeanette, Ma'am Annie,